Hey everyone, I am leaving in less than, in 23 hours on my second flight with my baby, but the first time alone. So I thought I would take you along, and I'm gonna start with, I'm finishing up packing right now. Baby's napping, just finished working out. So I wanted to show you what I'm packing for her and what I'm bringing and how I'm trying to keep it light, but that's difficult to do with a baby and myself. So I'm traveling by myself, like I said. My husband's gonna be dropping me off. My sister's picking me up. I'm going to Florida, spending 4 days with family, then going to Disney for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, 3 nights, and then I think my other sister's gonna meet me at Disney. We're gonna see the new Star Wars land. We have a pass holder preview. So I'll be staying at Disney at Pop Century with my daughter. So what we're taking is my stroller, which I'm gonna gate check, and that's free. We are taking her old UPPAbaby Mesa car seat, which she doesn't use anymore, but she's still under, I think it's 31 or 32 inches, so she's like right there. She won't be able to use it for long. So we're gonna take that, and that checks for free. And then one bag, well, let me show you. So I have one rolling bag. This is all of her stuff laid out to make sure I didn't miss anything. I'm gonna be rocking a fanny pack. It's part of my Disney bounding outfit as Princess Leia for the Star Wars. And then a backpack, which is our old camping hiking backpack, but it just ended up being perfect for this trip, I think. So I have 5 diapers and then 6 overnight diapers, and then her bath stuff in here, and then some more of my stuff's going in. This is that console. We decided to go with the Ethan and Emma console. If it can fit in here, I might just put it in here, but I think I'm just going to attach it to the stroller, and then it just gets folded up with the stroller for gate check. In my fanny pack, I have my ID and credit card, and then lip stuff and phone will go in there. So let's start loading up. This is my stuff so far. So for Disney, I have her tag. I have 8 of these water white packs, so they're 28 in a pack. I have 7 pair of PJs. I have disposable bibs, disposable table toppers. This is her first aid kit, and you'll see in my backpack I kept her Motrin. So it's Wednesday, we leave on Thursday, and yesterday, Tuesday, her 3rd molar broke through, and it was she was good, but it was a rough day. So I'm so thankful that happened yesterday and not tomorrow. So I have Motrin in the backpack for the plane. Worst case scenario, she gets diaper rash. I have the butt paste, nose Frida, I have that. Some Band-Aids, some Tylenol. I have Vaseline and a thermometer somewhere. Yeah, thermometer. Some baby lotion, some Band-Aids, some hydrocortisone, insect repellent, nasal spray, and alcohol pads. So she has a fan for her stroller for Disney. I'm taking her water shoes. She is not walking yet. She could walk. She doesn't know it yet, but she can. But I'm just going to bring those. Her ears, I don't know if she's going to wear them. So that's Disney stuff. She loves these glow sticks. She had the best time with these at Disney. So I just thought I'd bring those if we're outside. I just called Pop Century, and I didn't know this, but they don't have cribs in value resorts. They have them in deluxe resorts and some moderate resorts. So if you saw my beach club, our last Disney vlogs in the beach club, we got actual cribs, so we just get a pack and play. And then at my sister's house, she has a friend who is letting us borrow the pack and play, which is awesome because I was going to buy one from Walmart. So I just brought her pack and play crib sheet. Her sippy cups, I have a list in my phone of things to grab in the morning, so I'm going to run the dishwasher tonight and grab all of her sippy cups. So I have this travel, which I used it the last 2 trips. OXO sippy cup washing thing kit, I don't know, and this bottle and dish soap, which I got from, I think I got this from Target and this from Amazon. a Nun Night book. She likes this one and it's small. 2 of her bibs, but I'm going to be bringing the rest. I just need them for the next couple meals. Her Ollie swaddle, and I'm grabbing the other Ollie swaddle tomorrow morning after she wakes up. This is, my sister lives near the beach, and so we have sunscreen, hat, bathing suit, towel for beach and pool at Pop Century if we do that. All of her bows. I don't think I'm gonna put her in a bow tomorrow for travel day. Maybe I'll stick this one. So I have her outfit set out for tomorrow. So that bow looks really cute with those jeans. So yeah. These are the other bows I'm bringing. I have 2 Disney bounding outfits that I'm wearing, so she has them. So this is for our Star Wars day. I brought this outfit last time for Cinderella's Castle and we ended up canceling. So I think we're gonna go meet Cinderella, hopefully. So that's her Meet Cinderella outfit. I have a cute dress because we're gonna go out to dinner with my sister. I have a couple outfits. I have another Disney dress, 2 pairs of shorts, 3 pairs of leggings. Look how cute they are. I got those yesterday at Kohl's. Oh, and these shorts, 85 cents from Kohl's. Cute little short overalls and 2 onesies. I hope that's enough clothes. And then I got this at our last Disney trip, and we're staying at Pop Century, so she'll be wearing this the day we go to Pop Century with leggings or shorts or whatever. So that's everything that's going in this bag for Landon. Go over what's in the backpack. So when I'm packing enough food and diapers for 24 hours, because when I get to my sister's, we're going to go to the store, going to get diapers, pouches, food, milk, things like that, because I just don't have a lot of room. So this front pocket, I have her diaper stuff. So I have 1 diaper, wipes, and then changing pad. The second pocket is stuff for me. I brought this. We're going to have to go to the airport early because my husband has a meeting he has to get to at 9 a.m. I think we're going to be there 3 hours early. So I just wanted to have a snack. And then I'm going to try to get her to take a nap before we get on the plane. Hand cream, my other credit cards, health insurance, all that. Chargers in here. Hand sanitizer, chargers, Advil, and then this is a copy of her birth certificate. They did not need it or ask for it last time, but I just thought I would bring it just in case. Oh, hi there, Sadie. Cats get very nervous when the luggage comes out. The third pocket, so she loves this kitty, so I will bring it on the plane if needed. She also loves Anna and Mickey, and I really wanted to bring all 3, but I just don't think I can with space. And I think what I'm going to do is buy her an Elsa after we ride the Frozen ride. So she has both. So she has Kitty, and it has this awesome, she could play with that for like 20 minutes. Changing pad. This is food for 24 hours. So pouches, spoons, and then I'm going to pack snacks tomorrow morning. And then I made a bunch of homemade little muffins, and they're frozen, so I'm going to bring those. I have 4 more diapers in here for the plane ride. She loves this book so much, so this is going to be if we need it on the plane. This is her Motrin. And then this is Medela. They're quick clean wipes, and I have a ton of them. So they're good for high chairs and just wiping things down. So disposable bibs and table toppers for the ride. And then an extra outfit. And then my camera bags down there. And my last pocket here, I have a little bit of jewelry I just didn't want to pack. I have her wireless headphones, and her iPad loaded with Moana, a Vampirina, and Tangled. And that worked perfect on the last 2 airplane rides. And then last thing I have is my laptop. I didn't take it last trip, but I just thought being by myself and in a hotel with her, she goes to bed between 7 and 8. So I just brought this with headphones so I could watch TV, like instead of an iPad. That's for 2 side pockets. So in one of them I put this organic whole milk shelf stable milk that I found at Wegmans. And then in the other one, I'm gonna put a sippy cup, and then her other sippy cup with water will be tethered to her stroller. The backpack's definitely heavy, but the straps are very wide and padded, and I just think it's gonna work out really well. I got this thing from Target, so I just thought when I'm holding her with a backpack, it would be fun for her to play with or to put on her stroller or something, but maybe like on the plane ride or whatever. Cute. It was like a cute little charm that was at the Target checkout. I am packed. The only thing I need to do is in the morning, I need to get ready. My husband's gonna give her breakfast and get her changed. And then I just pack up last minute things like toiletries and makeup, and that goes in the big bag. And then I think we're ready to head out. We have to be out of the house by 7:15.